How to save view once photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to save the view once disappearing photos on Instagram, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the DM section or you can just select on any profile. Now when you try to take a screenshot of view once photo, then it says that it is not allowed to take a screenshot. So what you can simply do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner after you tap on your profile and simply tap on account center. As you select on account center, scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Select on download your information and select on download or transfer information. Now tap on your profile, then tap on next. So here you can just select on some of your information, and as you do that you'll be able to select the photo over here. So you can just select on the stories or you can just tap